Hi8 camcorders with night vision, Nightshot Feature. Hi8 camcorders don't really come with night vision as are available in modern-day camcorders. Instead, some models have the Nightshot feature. Back then, Nightshot was a handy feature for videographers who wanted to shoot in low-light or no-light conditions. According to Sony, Nightshot is shooting in the dark. Sony's explanation is the Nightshot function enables you to shoot a subject in a dark place. With this function, you can achieve a satisfactory recording of the ecology of nocturnal animals for observation. This function may record picture nearly in monochrome. It achieves this by using an image intensifier tube that amplifies available light. These days, the Nightshot technology is no match for modern-day camcorders. Today's camcorders, even budget models, often have excellent low-light recording capabilities. Some even offer night vision modes with improved clarity compared to older technology. Still, some collectors or enthusiasts seek out Hi8 camcorders with night vision for the novelty factor or to capture video with a distinct vintage aesthetic. If you're one of them, here are some Hi8 camcorder models you may wish to consider.
Simply click the link below to learn more.